In order to create a revolve feature in Siemens NX, click on the revolve feature icon. Before we go to revolve, you can either create a sketch from the sketch icon. Here I have already created a sketch, as you can see. So I will directly go to the revolve command. Here we have to select the curve. I'm going to select the sketch that was created. When it is specify vector, we can either select the vector from the sketch, which is the line, or if you have some other area where the axis needs to be shown, you can select it. For example, you can select the x coordinate from the coordinate system. Currently, I'll be using the sketch line as the vector. You can specify the angle. If you want it at 360 degrees, you can specify it as 360. As you can see, the revolve feature is created. I'm going to select it as 180 degree, and you can see the feature has been created to 180 degree. Once you're okay with the feature, you can click OK and the feature will be created. I already have an extrude feature which was hidden, so I'm going to unhide it now. As you can see, both the features are shown.